Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel Study Circle 22. This side Saima. Today we will learn one more chapter of fraction. We will learn addition and subtraction. Let's go. First of all, we will learn addition of fraction in very easy in simple manner. First of all, we will learn the addition of like fraction. Like fraction क्या होते हैं? Like fraction वो होते हैं जिनके denominators same होते हैं. The fraction which have the same denominators means bottom part same होता है. Bottom part is same. When adding fraction with common denominators, we add the numerator. Look here. Common denominator. Common denominator, that means same denominator. That means like fraction. 1 upon 8 plus 4 upon 8. कैसे fraction है? These are like fraction because it has same denominator. Both has same denominator. Now, so सबसे पहले we will write 8 as the common denominator, right? So no change with the denominator. Now numerator, we add the numerators. So numerators are top part. This is 1 and 4. So 1 plus 4 will give you 5. So after adding 1 upon 8 and 4 upon 8, our sum is 5 upon 8. One more example is I have a fraction 1 upon 5 and 2 upon 5. दो fraction है. Both are like fraction. Why? Because it has the common denominator, same denominator. So that's why we will write denominator once. No change with the denominator में कोई भी change नहीं होगा. Then numerator is 1 plus 2. Then it will give you 1 plus 2. It is 3 upon 5. This is the addition of like fraction. Okay. Sometimes after adding the fraction, we got the sum which can be reduced further. जिसको हम और ज़्यादा simplify कर सकते हैं और ज़्यादा reduce कर सकते हैं to get the final answer. So let's see how. The fraction 1 upon 8, 3 upon 8. Again the like fraction. Why like fraction? Because it has the same denominator. When we adding the same denominator, type of fraction means like fraction. No change with the denominators. Just write it same as it is. Then add the top part. 1 plus 3. It will give you 4. Now we can see that 4 upon 10. 4 upon 10 can be reduced further. How? Let's see. Now we will learn simplification of fractions. Simplification, that means we have to reduce. उसको छोटा करना at the last end. कि हाँ अब इस end के बाद और ज़्यादा हम इसको reduce नहीं कर सकते. For this we have to choose a number. एक number choose करना होगा by which both the number can be divided. Let's see how. We added two fractions 1 upon 8 and 3 upon 8 and our sum was 4 upon 8. Now 4 upon 8 को हम और ज़्यादा reduce कर सकते हैं, simplify कर सकते हैं. To do this simplification, we have to think a number. एक number हमको ऐसा सोचना होगा, find out करना होगा जिसके through हम टॉप और बॉटम, न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को ही डिवाइड कर सके. This is the top part and this is the bottom part, right? So we have a number. If we divide 4 by 4, 8 by 4, here, can you see? For reduction, read the table of 4. 4 ones are 4. One time, if we read the table of 4, one time, so we will get 4. This is 1. 4 twos are 8. This is 2. So now after simplification, after reduction, my new fraction is 1 upon 2. Earlier it was 4 upon 8. After simplification, it is 1 upon 2. These are equivalent fraction, different numbers but having the same values. Now we will learn when the denominator are not same. When we have the unlike fractions. Let's do. Now we will learn the addition of unlike fractions. Unlike fraction are those which have different denominators. Right? जब unlike fractions को हम ऐड करना स्टार्ट करते हैं तो फर्स्ट स्टेप होता है convert them into the like fraction. We can create equivalent fractions. We have a method. Method है lowest common denominator method. So we will learn this thing now. Now we have two fractions. This is 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 4. 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 4 are unlike fractions. Why? Because दोनों के ही denominators different हैं. So that's why they are unlike fractions, because different denominators. जब भी unlike fractions को हम add करते हैं सबसे पहले convert them into the like fraction. और like fraction में convert करने के लिए we will find out lowest common denominator. Now we will find LCD for 3 and 4. Let's see how. We will write the table of 3 and table of 4 here to find out the lowest common denominator. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Now 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Now find out the common numbers between them. One is 12. 12 is present in both the tables. Then after 12 we have 24. Right? But which one is the lowest one? The lowest one is, we have two common numbers between 3 and 4. This is 12 and 24. And the lowest one is 12. So LCD, lowest common denominator for 3 and 4 is 12. Okay. Now we have a LCD, least common denominator for 3 and 4 is 12. That means 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 4 was unlike fraction. Now we have to make them like fraction. That means we have to make the denominator 12. Same denominator. How we can do this? The fraction 1 upon 3. When 3 will get multiplied by 4, so it will give 12. 3, pata hai na? We know that 3 times 4 will give you 12. Similarly, 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Right? So, जो भी changes और multiplication हम denominator में करेंगे, same changes multiplication we will do in numerator. इसलिए fraction को balance रखने के लिए, fraction की values same रखने के लिए. Right. So now 3 times 4 is 12. 1 times 4 is 4. The new fraction is 4 upon 12. Now next fraction 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 denominator is 4. We have to make it same. Multiplied by 3. 3 से multiply करेंगे. We will get 12. Now same we will do with the numerator. 1 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3. So now new fractions are 4 upon 12 and 3 upon 12. So now they are like fractions because now they have same denominator. Easy to go? Now we can add our fractions. Our original fractions were 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 4, right? And these are unlike fraction. We have converted them into the like fraction through LCD, least common denominator. Now these are like fraction. Why it is like fraction? क्योंकि यहाँ पे इनके same denominators हैं. Very easy step to do the addition of the like fraction. Write down the denominator one time as it is 12. Now add the numerators only. सिर्फ numerators का addition होता है like fraction में. 4 plus 3 is 7. Now new fraction is 7 upon 12. That means the sum of 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 is 7 upon 12. Okay. Now let's learn subtraction. Fine. Now we will do subtraction of fractions. हमारे पास example है 5 upon 7 and 2 upon 7. In this we have 7 as the common denominator. Common denominator, that means ये like fractions हैं. Like fraction में same rule follow होता है as we did in the addition of the like fractions. These fractions have the common denominators. We subtract the numerators. Only the changes will do in numerators. जो भी changes होंगे numerator के साथ होंगे, denominator के साथ कुछ भी change नहीं करना है. So we will write the denominator as it is one time. Then 5 minus 2 will give you 3. So after doing subtraction, our answer is 3 upon 7. One more example is 3 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5. Again 5 कॉमन है, सेम डिनोमिनेटर है, दैट मीन्स लाइक फ्रैक्शन है. तो डिनोमिनेटर को हम सिर्फ एक ही बार कॉमनली लिख देंगे. देन न्यूमरेटर 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 will give you 1. So after doing subtraction, our answer is 1 upon 5. Okay. 5 upon 6 minus 1 upon 5. That means it has the different denominator. Different denominator, that means unlike fractions. In subtraction of unlike fraction, we will follow the same procedure as we did in addition. जो हमने addition में procedures step follow किए थे, same we will do in subtraction. First step, convert them into the like fraction through LCD. These are unlike fraction. We will convert them into the like fraction. लेकिन सबसे पहले we have to find out LCD for 6 and 5. One more time, we will write the table of both the numbers 6 and 5. 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. Now the 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. Now we have to find the common number between these two tables. So our common number is 30. After 30, there is no other number which is common. So LCD for 6 and 5 is 30. Now that means we have to make this denominator 30 and this denominator 30. जब ये 30 होंगे, that means like fraction होंगे. So let's see how we will do this. Now the unlike fraction 5 upon 6 and 1 upon 5, we will make them like fraction. As we know that our LCD for 5 and 6 is 30. That means both the denominator we have to make 30. दोनों ही denominator को हमें same बनाना होगा. Same, that means 30 बनाना होगा. So 5 upon 6, denominator is 6. When we multiply 6 by 5, जब हम 6 को 5 के साथ multiply करेंगे, at that time we will get this 30. 6 is getting multiplied by 5. Same changes हम numerator के साथ करेंगे. 5 will get multiplied by 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Why we are doing the same? To make the fraction balance, equivalent fractions, right? Now, next fraction is 1 upon 5. जब 5 को हम 6 के साथ multiply करेंगे, when we multiply 5 by 6, it will give 30. 5 times 6 is 30. Same changes we will do with the numerator. Same number, 6 and again 6. 1 times 6 is 6. Now the new fraction is 6 upon 30. Now we have two like fraction. One is 25 upon 30. Then 6 upon 30. Both have same denominator. So these are like fraction. Now we can do the subtraction of these numbers. Now we can subtract our fractions. How? 25 upon 30 minus 6 upon 30. Both are like fraction. Because it has the same denominator. Bottom part is same, right? Now, same procedure. We will write the denominator once, 30. So, it is only one time. Now, 25 minus 9 will give you 19. After subtracting 25 upon 30 minus 6 upon 30, we have 19 upon 30. So this is the final answer of the Subtraction. 19 upon 30 cannot be reduced or simplified further because 19 and 30 don't have the common factors, right? 19 और 30 किसी भी एक टेबल में एक साथ नहीं आते हैं. That's why 19 और 30 को हम रिड्यूस नहीं करेंगे. This is the final answer. Remember few points. When denominators are same, we add or subtract the numerators only. That means only change will be in the numerators part, in the top part. If the denominators are not same, we can use equivalent fraction. That means जब डिनोमिनेटर सेम नहीं होंगे, दैट मीन्स अनलाइक फ्रैक्शंस होंगे. So before doing addition or subtraction of the fraction, we will convert them into equivalent fraction, like fraction. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share it. Study Circle 22. If you have any question, any suggestion, so you can just ask and say in comment section, please.